Hi guys, welcome to WebSense Pro. Welcome to another Shopify how-to video. And as you have already seen the title of the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a stylish looking pricing plan on your Shopify store. Again, this feature is not available in the default theme, free themes of Shopify, but I'm going to tell you a really cool way to add this completely free of cost. All you have to do is just watch this complete video and make sure to subscribe this channel because I have created ton of tutorials related to Shopify UI enhancement, the way where you can add a lot of features on your store completely for free. So there's no harm in subscribing the channel, right? So make sure to hit that subscribe button in order to get the more tutorials and enhance your Shopify store. So let me show you what I'm going to teach you guys in this video. So as you can see on my screen, I have this stylish looking pricing plan, and there's an option for yearly and monthly, and we can also see that it's animated on hover, and similarly for the yearly version, and it has this best value showing up, and you can change this badge text, you can change the badge color, you can change all of the text here, and it also has the compare plan feature. So if I click on compare plans, you can see that you can add your plan name and add in these check items and compare the plans you can add. And all of these text, numbers, button color, all of that feature is changeable from customized settings. So if I go to customize settings, this is my pricing table section, which I'm going to show you guys how you can add. Has this monthly plan option where you can see I can change all of this text here. Feature new, feature old, whatever you want to add in, you can add it here. And you can also change the verbiage here, you can change the pricing here, all of the stuff you can change on your own. You can also link the product, so if you want to make it clickable, you can simply click on the select product and it will be linkable to that specific product. And this is the option where you will select it as the popular or recommended. So if I enable that, you can see I have this most popular badge showing up where I can change the text. Cool, right? So all of these features you will be getting, and very easy and very simple to use. Also, you can add 3 monthly plans and 3 yearly plans. So here we have the monthly plans and here we have the yearly plans. If I click on yearly and switch to yearly here, you'll be able to see the early plans where I can change the pricing, and all of the stuff can be changed super simple, just like the way I showed you in the monthly plan. And here we have the feature comparison row, so you can add as much feature comparison rows as you want in order to display this compare plan table, which is going to show below that. So all you have to do is just click on this add block here and you will be able to add this feature comparison row. And when I click on that, you will have this option to check mark it or cross it. So if it's enabled, it will show a green color arrow, and if it's disabled, it's going to show a red color cross. So if I add feature test and click on save, it's going to add additional row with the first item showing red color crossed item. So if I open it up now, hit refresh, and if I click on compare plans, you can see that additional row has been added with the first item as being red cross and last 2 items has been green row. We can also just disable it here and show the red crossed item. If I click on save and hit refresh again, click on compare plans, you can see that we have it here, the crossed item showing up. And you also have a lot of color and styling features as well in this section. So if I click on this pricing table here, you will have the option to add in logo here. So below the choose your plan, you'll be able to add the logo. If I try to add my company logo, let's try adding that. So I'm gonna add this one here, click on done. And here you can see the logo has been added. You can change the logo width and you can change the logo width on mobile. You can change the heading size to be small and large. Here's the section heading. You can so remove that section heading as well. Here's the subtitle. You can remove the subtitle as well if you want to. or you can add in your own text. Here we have the option of subtitle color. So here we have the subtitle showing up, and we have this alignment option as well. So if we change the alignment, you can see that we have this alignment changing up here. And here we have the option of enable card shadow. So if we disable that, we will not be seeing any shadow, which looks a bit weird. I'm going to enable that. And here we have all of the coloring option, which you can change, padding option, and this is for the popular plan badge. So that's the most popular badge. We can change the color to red or whatever we want. Popular badge color, background color. You can see that how easy it is to customize. You don't need to have any code knowledge at all. It's going to work completely fine for you. And you can see that compare plans button. Here we have the option to change the compare plan and the hide plan button color and all of that kind of stuff. So if we change it to blue, you can see that it's being updated. And you can also add in your own custom CSS. So if you feel there is any option missing, and if you have a little bit of CSS knowledge, you can add in your custom CSS as well. Okay guys, so you have seen how the pricing table section gonna work. Now I'm gonna show you guys how you can install it on your theme, and let's start implementing that. I'm gonna install the fresh dawn theme and show you guys how you can add this section. Before we proceed to adding this section, I'm gonna show you this app which we have created just for you guys. This app is gonna add the feature of volume discount on your Shopify store. So if you are looking to add a volume discount feature to increase your Shopify store sales, make sure to try this app. This app has 7-day free trial, so you can use it completely for free for starting 7 days. You don't have to pay anything. And if you feel that it's helping you get more sales with the volume discount feature, make sure to continue using that and leave us feedback. Cool. Link of this app will be in the description. You can also search it by big bulk discount. Okay, now I am going to proceed with this tutorial. And in order to do so, I am going to install the fresh dawn theme. So let's scroll down to the bottom. Here we have the dawn theme. So it's already working on dawn 15.3.0 in this section. But the reason why I'm installing the fresh dawn theme is that I want to show you guys that it's going to work completely fine if you install it on the fresh without any code customization, just the one which I am going to tell you. Other than that, you don't need any additional settings for that, because in this particular theme, I have added a lot of customization. And it's if you visit that theme, you can see that we have this transparent header, and we have this mega menu, and we have this different type of slider. So all of these features which you are seeing currently on this theme is not available in default dawn theme in the free version. But if you subscribe this channel and watch my other videos, you will be able to add all of these features on your own without needing to have a developer. Cool, right? Okay, so let's install the fresh dawn theme. Click on add, and it is being installed. Okay guys, while this is being installed, if you are new to Shopify and if you are new to this channel, there's a link in the description. If you use that link, you'll be able to sign up for your new Shopify store for just $1 a month. You don't have to pay default $29, $30 pricing. I think it's $30. So you will be able to sign up to your Shopify store for just $1 a month. Link in the description. Hurry up. Limited time offer. Okay guys, our fresh dawn theme has been added. I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again. Perfect. Our latest fresh dawn theme has been published. I'm going to click on 3 small dots and then click on preview to see how it looks. And that is how it looks. Perfect. Now let's add the section for the pricing plan. Click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. By the way guys, this section should also be working fine on paid theme as well. So if you're using paid theme and you don't have that feature on your theme, make sure to use the section, completely free to use. And the code which you will need to add is available on this link. So click on the link in the description. This link is available, no paywall for that. Just click on the link and you will get this code. So I am gonna go to code editor and then create a new section file. So I'm gonna click on this arrow for sections folder, and here we have this add a new section. I'm going to name it pricing plan. You can name it whatever you want. The file name is irrelevant here because that's a section file. So click on done after adding the file name, and make sure to remove all of the current code and copy the code from here. Click on copy code button and paste the code. After pasting the code, just hit save. And now I'm going to open the theme customizer. Click on these three small dots and then click on customize theme to open the theme customizer. And here we will add our new pricing plan section. Click on add section and search for pricing plan. And here you will see pricing table actually. So just click on that and you will have your pricing table showing up. So that's how easy it is to add it. And I'm going to hit save and then go to home page and reload my URL to view the section. And here you go. You can see that our section is showing up. So these are the yearly pricing and these are the monthly pricing. And here we have our comparison table showing up. And now let's check out in the mobile version to see if it works fine. Click on inspect and so check 75%. And I will need to refresh, I think, because it's not properly loaded for some reason. So here, I think we'll have to reload that. View as, close the preview. Let's open it up again. Perfect. Now it's working fine on inspect element code. Okay, so here's our spec. We are inspecting it on iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that's how it's going to look like on iPhone 14 Pro. So if I scroll down, you can see that these are the plans. These are the monthly plans, and this is the comparison table, which is movable. And if we switch to yearly plan, that's how it's gonna look on the mobile version. Looks cool, right? So that's it for the video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to add in more feature, or if you want me to create new sections for you guys. I would love to do that completely for free. Just let me know in the comments below. Until next video, have a great day.